Welcome to Monday's Financial News Review powered by Centrefix, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest market news and insights.
Alibaba dropped 3% last Friday, as persistent Chinese regulatory pressures and broader economic uncertainty outweighed its revenue performance. The Shanghai Index dropped 1.3% as investors positioned ahead of the week-long Lunar New Year holiday, with mainland markets closed from February 16th to 23rd. Gold fell more than 1% to around $4,970 per ounce on Monday, as traders are monitoring nuclear talks between the US and Iran and US-led negotiations aimed at ending the war in Ukraine. The Japanese yen traded at around 153 per dollar, trimming last week's gains, after Japan's fourth quarter 2025 growth came in well below expectations. Bitcoin traded at around $68,000 this Monday, decreasing by 1.5% in the last 24 hours, as geopolitical risks and macroeconomic pressured investor sentiment. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 10 a.m., the industrial production in the euro area is expected to decrease, after reaching 0.7% in November. At 1:15 p.m., Canada will release figures for the housing starts of January, following 282,000 in December. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 10 a.m., Germany to release the Economic Sentiment Index for February, following 59.6 in January. At 1:30 p.m., Canada will release figures for the annual inflation rate of January, following 2.4% in December.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrefix. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.